Wait, don't scroll. You're tired, you're worn out, and a part of you thinks your story is over. But God sent this message to say, I am not done with you. Listen closely, because this is heaven speaking directly to your heart. What I started in you, I will finish. You've been looking at your life thinking you missed your chance, that you made too many mistakes, that you're too late, that too much has gone wrong. But Philippians 1:6 declares, He who began a good work in you will complete it. God doesn't abandon His plans. He doesn't change His mind about you. He doesn't walk away when you feel weak. Your story is still unfolding. Your purpose is still blooming. Your breakthrough is still on its way. The enemy tried to convince you it was over, but God says, I'm rebuilding you. I'm restoring you. I'm rewriting the parts of your life you thought were ruined forever. There is more for you, more joy, more healing, more purpose, more of God's goodness. Your life isn't ending, it's entering a new chapter. If this message spoke to your heart today, follow for more and share this with someone who needs hope. Jesus' message for you. Amen.